All right, everybody, I'm going to show you today how to take a funnel, an entire event, and copy it and change the day, okay? So this is going to be a little bit of a longer video, but last night we held our speak off, okay? So if we head over to mariannehickman.com/speak off, you can see that right now this redirects to the event that happened last night, January 15th, okay? Now, we've officially put the next one on the calendar. It is for March 13th. And so we are going to recreate this page and this entire process to be able to be a registration page for March 13th. So let's go ahead and dive in. Okay, we're going to go in. I'm going to create a new folder, and we're going to call this the March 13th Speak Off. Okay, confirm. And I am going to now come over here to the January 15th Speak Off, and I am going to clone this, and I'm going to call this the March 13th Speak Off. Okay. And then we have the VIP upgrade funnel. I need to clone this. We're going to call this the March 13th VIP upgrade. Copy. Okay, now we're going to move these over into the March 13th folder that I just created. Okay, we're going to move that one. And then we're going to move this one as well. Okay, next thing I need to do is I need to come over here to the forms. I need to find the January 15th Speak Off registration. Now I'm going to clone this. I'm going to duplicate this, and I'm going to call this the March 13th Speak Off registration. Okay, this is the form that we use to be able to get someone to register for it. This is what all of our automations are going to trigger on. Okay, so now we're going to go back to the funnel. We're going to go into March 13th. Let's open this up. Okay, so we're going to edit this. We're going to change this right here to be March 13th at 7 p.m. Eastern. This button is still going to open up the pop-up, okay? But if we open the pop-up, we need to change this to be March 13th. And we're going to change out this instead of the January 15th, we need to change it to the March 13th. No. March 13th Speak Off registration. Okay, it's the same thing. Looks the same. Okay, and then that's the same. None of that's going to change. All that's the same. All that's the same. Okay, now we need to look at the mobile view. Okay, mobile view still says January 15th. We're going to change this to March 13th at 7 p.m. Okay, all the rest is good. Okay, so now we're going to publish this. We're going to host this on offers and save. And we're going to go back. And now I'm going to change this. Instead of January 15th, I'm going to change this to March 13th registration page. Okay, update the step. Now, the next thing I need to do, the VIP. VIP is $47. So we're going to come over here to payments, products, create a product. We're going to call this the March 13th Speak Off VIP. And this is $47. Okay, now we go back to the funnel. March 13th Speak Off. The VIP upgrade, products, add product, and we're going to choose this one, okay? Now we're going to save that. We're going to go back. Now let's take a look at this. Make sure everything looks right. Okay, all this looks good. All this looks good. All of this is the same. Okay, yes, I want the VIP spot. That is going to open the pop-up. The pop-up is going to open up the purchase page, but if they don't want to, then we want this to say to go to the thank you page, okay? And then if they end up purchasing, we want the button action to take them to the order confirmation page, okay? Now let's publish. Order confirmation page, let's edit this. Okay, we need to update this calendar, okay? So let's open up Canva. And let's look for that. I'm gonna pause this and pull that up. Okay, I found the design we use. You can see this is what I used for the August 14th, right? And then October, December, January, I couldn't find that calendar. Let's go ahead and we're going to create a new page. And I'm going to come over here to Elements, and I'm going to search for a March 2025 calendar. See all the graphics. Let's see if we can find one that we like. I want one that's pre-filled. This one's not bad. March 1st is on a Saturday. Okay, so we're good here. Okay, so we're going to make this the size that we want. Let's update these colors. Oh, no. We want that to be black. I thought it was going to change that. Okay, we don't want that one to be that. Let's change that to be white as well. There we go. Okay, and then let's take this little circle and let's move this down here and put it on March 13th. Okay, so let's go ahead and download this one. Okay, now we're going to replace this picture. We're going to create a new folder. We're going to call this the March 13th Speak Off. Let's see where it stuck that folder. There it is. And now we're going to upload that calendar photo. Okay, there we go. Oh, I forgot to do something on there. So when we download this, I want the transparent background. Okay, I don't want the current page. Okay, so we're going to replace that. Okay, that looks a little better. Okay, now we need to update this. This is going to be Thursday, March 13th at 7 p.m. VIP will held earlier that day at, we're going to put this at 3 p.m. We're going to say 5 p.m. Eastern, as well as on March 12th on, well, let's see. Okay, VIP training session 1 will be held on March 12th at 5 p.m. Eastern, and session 2 will be held March 13th at 5 p.m. Eastern. And a recording will be made available after the event. Zoom links will be provided in your email. Check your email. All of that. Okay, so now we're going to hit publish. That's done. Let's go make sure the thank you page is done. We don't need to update anything here. We probably need to update the calendar logo again. It's pretty much the same thing, except it doesn't have any of the VIP stuff. Okay, mark your calendar. This live event is taking place Thursday, March 13th at 7 p.m. Okay, publish. Okay, now that's done. That was updating the funnel, okay? I'm going to make a couple other videos that go over duplicating all of the automations and everything that I have behind it, but now I've got the registration page up. Oh, last step, actually. We're going to come over here to settings, and then we're going to go to the URL redirects. We're going to find speak off right here. We're going to edit that, and we don't want it to go to the January 15th funnel anymore. We want it to go to the March 13th registration page. Okay, so now if we update that, that'll take a minute, but now when someone goes to mariannehickman.com/speakoff, it will send them to the March 13th page instead of the last one. So hope you find this helpful. I know I moved through it pretty quickly. Feel free to watch through it again, and make sure you watch for the next video where we're going to go through how to redo some of the emails that are meant for this campaign, as well as some of the automations. So stay tuned. Thanks so much.